Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making crab stuffed salmon. So we're gonna start by carefully slicing down the middle of the fillet about halfway through. Then we're gonna cut an incision parallel with the fillet and to create two pockets. If you have a really thick fillet like we have here, you might want to trim off a little bit of the salmon meat in the middle. And the fillet knife is perfect for this. Then we're gonna open a jar of premium lump crab meat. We wanna put this in a bowl, and we wanna make sure that we tear apart any large pieces. Then we wanna add 8 ounces of cream cheese. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of wild garlic, ramson, and herb blend from Olivelli. We're also gonna add about half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And then we wanna mix this thoroughly. We're gonna open the pocket of the salmon, and then we wanna carefully stuff the crab mix inside. We're gonna brush the salmon fillet with some Sicilian lemon-infused olive oil from Olivelli. And then we wanna season the fillet with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. We also wanna slice a lemon into thin slices and place on the fillet, covering the little hole in the middle. Then we're gonna set our oven to 350 degrees, convection bake. We wanna place the salmon fillet inside, and now we're gonna cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes, just until the salmon starts turning pink. And then it's time to remove the salmon, slice it into slices, and enjoy. And that is how I make my crab stuffed salmon. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. Let's grab a little bit there. Good. So good, so rich. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling. Awesome.